So once again, very good afternoon to everybody present here. So today's class we'll discuss about forms, Django forms. In this particular class we'll discuss about forms, how you update the form, how you delete the view, and then about the various tests to validate our results and our performance. And of course we conclude it. So this is especially for you, my dear students and young researchers, and you can reach me at dr.christoananth@gmail.com. So before beginning the session, let me thank God once again for giving me this golden opportunity to deliver this useful session to share my knowledge among my fellow national, international participants, students and young researchers. So this particular class we will discuss about forms, how you have an updated file with Django, and about the home page with new button, and of course we will discuss about how you can create a new page with a blog, and then this is a new feature which is reverse Django. Okay, and then we will have like blog homepage with maybe 2 posts or maybe 3 posts or maybe 4 posts, and then we discuss about the update form, about the delete view, and then the home page with the post deleted. So if you try to delete the post, how what changes we will have with the home page. Of course we will have some independent work. I've already shared the independent work in the Google Classroom. Please go through them. And then we have some short videos to discuss the knowledge in our topics. Whenever I'm taking the class, I see every one of them. Okay, there or not, I see, and I see another face. I was thinking. Right. So this is forms. We will have a very common framework where you can try to develop this stuff, and definitely you know the meaning of forms. So whenever you have forms, what happened? XSS attacks.
I read about
DOS XSS attacks. So this Django, it will be trying to implement your forms and what the way you think that a form will be. So definitely it will help through your documentation in working with the forms. And whenever you talk about forms, it will be just like a questionnaire where you will be needed to input your details, and you can save it. Maybe you can add some new fields, you can delete some new fields if you want to. And whenever if it is a authenticated platform, okay, just like Telegram or maybe WhatsApp, you should have some security features associated with it, because like the hacker, whenever he or she comes to know about the user input, definitely there will be security concerns as well, definitely there will be XSS attacks. So proper error handling is very much required, and user input considerations is needed to alert the user to the problems. So for this, Django has its own built-in forms. So we have a set of tools to handle these forms. So for this, it will take like a href attribute equal to percentage that URL that you are pointing to. Okay, and you will be having some display text. Whenever we click on the display text, then it will be pointing to that address of the particular form. Okay, so we have like post underscore new, which is the URL name that we will be having. So here we will have template slash base.html load static. So we have a HTML tags, so you know about it. So we have the head tag. So in the browser window, in the title, you will be having like a Django blog. Okay, the title. Yeah, you know about it. Okay, and then link href is equal to fonts.googleapps.com. So this is what you are going to point to, and the link href is equal to static css slash base.css and reliability function, which is equal to style sheet. Okay, and then you close the head, and then you start the body. Now you have a div tag, we have the header, div class is equal to, you're going to navigate to the left. Okay, and then h1 is the higher level of heading. You have a href is equal to URL home, which is nothing but the Django blog, and you close the h1 tag. You close the div tag, okay, the first div tag. Then you go for the div class. Now you have already navigated to the left. Now you are going to the right. So this is navigation to the right. Okay, and then a href is equal to URL post new. This is actually the new blog post. So within the Django blog, you are including a new blog post. So like for example, in the Django blog, you will have plus. If I click on the plus, it will be a new blog post. Okay, so just like we had in the messages form posts, you remember Django posts, Django messages, we had something like add new plus add new. If you click on this one, you enter some text and you can save it. Same. So you close the div tag, second div tag, and you close the header tag, and you end with the block content, end block content, and you close with the div tag, body tag, and HTML tag. Okay. So after doing all this stuff, like we have already designed this, the browser window with the, the title as well as the blog post. Now you have to add a new URL conf for the post new. Okay. So what you do, whatever, like in the URL, you will have the post / new. Whenever you click this add new, then in the URL, if you see, it is / new. Okay. So that's what I am trying to explain with you. So you have like blog/urls.py. So you have from Django.urls import path. So here we are importing the blog list view, blog detail view, and blog create view. And regarding with the inbuilt libraries, we will have the URL patterns, which is path, the blog create view. We will have name is equal to post_new. And for the blog detail view, it is .as_view. So we will be having the post detail name equal to post_detail, and then we have the path blog list view .as_view, the name equal to home. So whatever we try to add the post, after saving it successfully, it will be coming to the home page. So that's the reason you will have the blog list view .as_view, the name equal to home. Redirecting, yeah, redirect. Okay, so you have URL, we have like views and then template pattern also. So here we try to create a new generic class called as the create view, and then we create a new view called as the blog create view. Okay, so in the blog/views.py, we will have from Django.views.generic import the list view and the detail view, and the generic editing you are going to import the create view. Okay, then you have from .models import post class blog list view, you are going to have the list view, though you are setting the model equal to post and the template name is equal to home.html. So similarly for the detail view, you will have model equal to post and the template name is equal to post_detail.html. Similarly for the create view, you will have model equal to post, template name is equal to post_new.html, and the fields we will be having like title, you will be inputting the author, you will be inputting the body as well. So these are the forms we have set up the database fields where we will have like as in the previous case we have like title, author, and body here. So finally what you have to do, you have to go with the calling the post_new.html. So what do? You access the template. So you go for within the blog, you go for $text templates /post_new.html, and then you can add this one. So whenever you have to add or maybe you have to call the post_new, you go with the extents base.html and you start with the block content. It is a new post. Okay, and then we will be calling the CSRF token. The CSRF token is nothing but, in the previous slide you saw, to overcome the XSS attack. Overcome the XSS attack. Okay, so the form action equal to method post CSRF token and form.as_p. Security authentication.
Just your user should visit the browser.
It's just like you are including a HTTPS content. HTTPS, not HTTP, but HTTPS. It's more secure. More secure.
So Laravel also supports this.
And then you have the input type. Big one. Input type equal to submit and the value equal to save. So whenever we click on the save, then immediately it will submit it and then it will try to post it. Okay, yeah, and then you will have like /form and then the end block content. So in the top line we will have like the HTML tags and then we have the post method also. As I told you earlier, CSRF is to protect the form from the XSS attack, cross-site scripting attacks, and then you can use it. You should use it in all of the Django forms. You should use it. Okay. So here you have included form.as_p. This p refers to the paragraph tag. Okay.
What in syntax is Just we write this one inside deeply, or we can.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Why it is inside the parenthesis?
Yes, but
Why not CSRF token openly? We are asking about this one.
yes.
No, this one it's a format. It's a format.
Yes.
Like with the case of block content and end block content in the previous thing,
Yes.
we include within the parenthesis block content
Okay.
and then end block content. And similarly, extends based on HTML we will be including in this one. So it's nothing but the the security feature that is given. And then you specify the input type of the submit and you assign it the value saved. We have the home page with a new button. So whenever after updating all this one like URL and then views, we go to 127.0.0.1:8000. So that's the thing. Whenever you go with this one, you have the h1 tag Django blog and then hello world. That's my first blog post. Who is the first post, and then the second is actually goals today, learn Django and build a blog application. So that was the thing. And in the right hand side, if you see, we have new blog post. Okay, so whenever we click on this new blog post, you will have like this one author. So you can select the author. Okay, and generally you can enter the text, the body, and then you can creating the new blog post, and then you can submit it. Okay. So this is how it goes. Maybe you can add first post, you can add second post, you can add third post also. And the third post, maybe if I click on the author, you can select the author, your author name, and then I wonder if this will work. And then if I click on the save, then immediately you will see all the 3 blog posts. So similarly, what happens is we have left one part. Normally we will have improperly configured at post/new. So this is the problem. So this is an error message. It's complaining that generally where to send the user after submitting the form. After submitting the form, you should point to some page. You should point to one particular page that it shows, like saved successfully, the form saved successfully, like that it should display. Okay, so you have to send the user to the detail page after success. So the success page or maybe the completed post is very important. So maybe we will follow accordingly with the Django suggestion about how to get the absolute URL to the model. So what you try to do, you add these 2 things like get absolute URL and then string method to each of the model that we write. So what you do, this is a small one-time change that you have to do. So you open this models.py file and you have to import on the second line for a reverse. And what you try to do, you include both the things, get absolute URL and then the str method. Okay, so this is what you are going to do. Within the models.py, you are going to import the models, django.db import models, django.urls import reverse, and within that, okay, so you have the class post models.model, title equal to models.character field, the maximum length you are setting it to 200, and author equal to models.foreign key, the authenticated user, and on underscore delete you are setting the cascade field. And in the models text field, here you include this one. Okay, this is str. So similarly with the str field, you have like get absolute URL. Okay, so this is returning reverse post underscore detail. The argument is equal to str of self.id. So this is also one important feature, reverse Django. So it's actually a hand utility function which Django provides us to reference a particular object by its URL template name. So you have a path post slash the pk field that you are going to point to, and then you have the block detail view. It is as underscore view, the name equal to post detail. So similarly this pk nothing but the primary key, and similarly the id should not be interchanged, because here in the previous case we have like get absolute URL and then str method, but with the case of reverse Django, whenever we are trying to include the self.id, we will immediately it will point to the get absolute URL. So self.id is a very important feature of the reverse Django, but in the previous case with Django we have to include get absolute URL, we have to include the str method, but here like self.id it is already been inbuilt in the reverse Django. Okay, so
this is one is exactly URL.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So that's the reason we will have like int the primary key. So the root for the first entry will be like post/1, post/2, or maybe post/new. Okay, so that's the way we create like this one 127.0.0.1 colon 8000 slash post and then slash new. Okay, so for everything we do a new post, then we enter this one post has been success. Okay, so we complete it. Okay, so this is how you do the new post. So the title is this one and the author we select them and you can include the body. So remember we had already created 3 posts and this is the 4th post, and if we click on this one save button, then it will be redirected to the detail view page where the post appears. Okay, so this is the part that we actually missed earlier. That's the reason we got this error. So this we are going to rectify with the case of this reverse Django. Okay, so whenever you will have like is this form working? Yes, it is. It's a blog individual page, and whenever we go for 127.0.0.1 colon 8000, you will have these 4 posts. Okay, Django blog, hello world, goal today, 3rd post, and is this form working? So these are the 4 posts. So just with the case of reverse Django, we are being able to validate the form, and we can see the 4 posts successfully. So next we are going to update the form. So we are going to update it with the class based view, what you call it to be the update view. So you add a new link to the post underscore detail.html. Okay, post underscore detail.html. So you'll have like a within the post underscore detail.html, you will have extends based.html, the block content, you will have the div class post entry. So you'll have the second level of heading, which is the post.title, and then you have the paragraph, which is nothing but the post.body. So you close the div tag, and then a href is equal to the post edit the post.primary key. Okay, and then you will have like edit blog post. So this is plus edit blog post. So we had it like plus new blog post. Now we are going to go with plus edit blog post. Okay, and then the end block content. So we have added this one a href, and then we included this part. A href is equal to URL post edit post.pk. Okay.
PQ is the ID.
Which one? PK. PK primary key for this one. PT. Primary key. Post.primary key. Okay, so this is for the post.underscore edit. Okay, so we will have like post.pk. So in the command line, you access the template / post underscore edit.html. So you add this following code. Okay, extends base.html, block content, edit post, and then here in relation with this one, you add this one for CSRF token. So form action is equal to method, the method equal to post CSRF token. It is form.as underscore p. The input type will equal to submit, and value is equal to update. So whenever we click on the update, it will go to the submit and it will save it accordingly. Okay, and then you close the end block content. So maybe we can use the CSRF token for security as well, and maybe form.as underscore p for displaying the form fields with the paragraph tags. So what you do, you go with the blog / views.py. We have like django.views.generic. You import the list view as well as the detail view, and then you import the create view as well as the update view. So you have like from .models, you import the post, and then for the list view, you will have the model equal to post and template name equal to home.html. So just like previous case for adding the new blog post, we repeat the same thing for blog detail view with a post and the template name equal to post underscore detail.html, and the blog create view we will have model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore new.html. So we have like different fields, same fields, title, author, body. Okay, and similarly with the case of update view, this is different. This is a new one. This is the new one, blog update view. So in the update view, we'll have like model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore edit.html, and the fields we will have only the title and the body. We will not have author. Okay, and then you will see like only the title and body is there rather than using the all the fields. Okay, so finally you update the urls.py file. So in the blog / urls.py, you go with from django.urls, importing the path, and from dot views import you include all the views like list view, detail view, create view, as well as the update view. And then with the case of URL patterns, you go with the primary key slash edit and the blog update view dot as underscore view, the name equal to post edit. And then you have like the blog create view, blog detail view, and blog list view with the corresponding names as well. And then you close it. Okay, and then we will have a new edit button also. Okay, so in addition to the new blog post that we see over in the right hand side, you see in the bottom you will have plus edit blog post. So whenever you see this 127.0.0.1:8000, immediately you will have like slash post slash 1. Okay, so this is would be a blog post. So you'll have a new blog post on the right and edit blog post in the bottom also. Okay, so we have the, whenever we click on the edit page, it will be pre-filled. Okay, it will be pre-filled, and if you want to edit it, you can edit it and you can save also. So whenever you click on the save, immediately it will go to the blog post. Similarly, you can see the, whenever you go with the edit, you see in the browser window /1/edit. Okay, so this is the blog home page with the edited post. So you will see in the page, so whenever we update it, so you will see this one hello world bracket, within the brackets you have edited. Okay, which means that you have edited this part. Okay, so hello world bracket edited, which means that this has been edited. My first blog post, woohoo, goals today, third post, is this form working? So this is because of this get absolute URL setting, and maybe you can check in the home page also whether you have edited it or not. So we'll have like delete view also. We'll have the generic class based view, which is nothing but the delete view. So we can maybe create a view and then URL, and the template, that particular template should fit into all of the pages it is pointing to. Okay, so what we do, we will add we will add a link to delete the blog post. So in the post underscore detail.html, so within the post underscore detail.html, you extends the base.html. The blog content, you start with the div class post entry. You will have like post title, post body. Okay, and then in the paragraph tag we'll have post underscore edit. So this is where you are going to go with the, already this has been done, edit blog post has already been done. Now you add a new thing, which is nothing but delete blog post. So with this we are going to go with the post underscore delete post.pk. Okay, and then you go with the end block content. So you create a new file once again within the templates, within the blog, within the templates, you go with the post underscore delete. So just like edit blog post, which is in the bottom, you will have delete blog post also. Okay, so you fill this with the code like you'll have like extends based HTML block content delete post, and the form action method equal to post CSRF token. Are you sure you want to delete? Okay, and then you will have input type equal to submit, value equal to confirm. So whenever we click on delete, immediately it doesn't delete. It will ask you, do you want to confirm? Yes. And only if you click on maybe confirm, then it will submit it and the post gets deleted. Okay, so we are using this post post.title to display the title of a blog post, just to make sure that everything is correct. Okay, within the post.title we will have the the detail view within the object.title, and we will have the delete view similar to the edit blog post. So you update the views.py file. So this has been a mistake we done previously. We didn't update the views.py file with the reverse Django. So similarly, we will have like reverse underscore lazy at the top, just to make sure that everything is working correctly. So this is what we are going to do within the blog slash views.py. We will have django.views.generic import list view and detail view. And once again here we have created this one, delete view, create view, update view, and then delete view. This is the new one. And similarly, just like reverse Django, we will have reverse lazy. Okay, so from dot models import post class blog list view. So same thing we are repeating, list view model equal to post, template name equal to home.html, and the delete view, so the blog detail view will have like template name equal to post underscore delete.html. Similarly, in the blog create view, we will have the model equal to post, template name equal to post underscore new dot html, and the fields we will like a title, author, and then body. Blog update view is just the same. Blog update view you edited, you already used the plus edit button with the template name post underscore edit. The fields we had, you remember only two fields we had, title as well as body alone. And then with the case of blog delete view, we will have model equal to post and the template name equal to post underscore delete. So this is the new thing that we are adding in addition to the edit button. Okay, and then the success url, this is the success url which is equal to reverse underscore lazy. Okay, so reverse lazy is used just like reverse Django. Okay, so it will be redirecting to the deleting the blog post. Are you confirming? And if you click yes, maybe it will go to the home page.
Reverse lazy is a function of.
Sorry.
Reverse lazy function is just a confirm.
Just to confirm and then redirect it.
Redirect, yes.
So this is reverse. Whenever we go to this one, reverse, confirming, then reverse. So we create a URL by importing the view blog delete view and add a new pattern. Okay, so we will have the delete view blog slash urls.py. From Django.urls you are going to import the path, and from .views you import the list view, update view, detail view, create view, and this one is the new one, blog delete view. Okay, so the URL patterns you are going to have like primary key slash delete, blog delete view, and the name equal to post underscore delete. And we have the blog create view, the post underscore new, the blog detail view, the post underscore detail, the blog update view, it is post underscore edit, and blog list view, the name you are going to redirect to the home. Okay, and for example if you restart the server 127.0.0.1:8000, you will see this delete blog post here. So you will have like plus new blog post in the right. Already we saw plus edit blog post. Now a new thing comes which is plus delete blog post. Okay, so if I click on this delete blog post, it will say, are you sure you want to delete hello world edited? Okay, remember here it is only post slash one, here it is post slash one slash delete. Okay, and then if you click on confirm, then it will be deleted. So this is the home page with post deleted, and if you click on this confirm button, then it will show only the 3 posts. That first post is deleted, so you will have 2, 3 and 4 only. And finally we have tests. So in order to validate the results that you have got, so you already use get absolute URL method, and new views also for creating, updating, and editing the post. So for the tests we will have defining test underscore the same thing, get absolute URL, and defining test underscore post create view, post update view, post delete view. Okay, so what you are going to add in the test.py file, you go with blog slash test.py. From Django.content.authentication import get user model, and with the test, this is the test you are doing, import test case. Similarly for each of the test you are doing, you have to do for the reverse, import reverse. So from .models import the post, and then the class blog post you are going to go define with the setup. You are going to go with the self user get underscore user model dot objects dot create user, and you will have the test user, the user name, email id, and password. Okay, so this is the default thing. The username is test user, email is test@email.com, and password it is secret. So whatever displays the password, it will be displayed at dot. This one password, it is set as secret because it will be displayed at dot. Okay, and self.post, it is post.objects.create. The title, you can choose a good title, and the body, the nice body content. The authentication, it is self.user. So this is the string representation that you will be representing with the case of a new title, and self.assert equal the str will be including for self assertion, and then test underscore get underscore the absolute URL. So you'll have the assert equal self.post.get absolute URL, and then post content also you'll have self.assert equal the post title, author as well as the body. And similarly the list view, you will have the response like the reverse will have response status code 200, response nice body content, and finally you are redirecting to the form.html. And similarly with a detail view, you will have the response equal to self client. No response means it will go to this one. Okay, and then self.assert equal response status code 200. No response mean it will go to 4 not for error, not found. And then the assert contains a response means it will have good title and post underscore detail.html. Similarly with the create view, you do the same. Response equal to self.client.post, the reverse post underscore new, title the new title, body the new text, and author self.user. Okay, so and then you'll have like self underscore post underscore update view. This the update view is nothing but the new one where you'll have the updated title as well as the updated text. Okay, and you'll have the delete view also. You'll have the response, and then reverse it is post delete. So this is also pretty much new. The update view, you'll have an update title and updated text. Similarly with the delete view also it is new. So whenever you go with the reverse post delete and self.assert equal response.status code 200. So you will see that whenever you go with the the post, whenever we click on this one post, you will have like post/1. Okay, which means that there is only one post and the primary key pk is 1. Okay, so this is what Django automatically adds. And for going with the create view, we have a new response. So which means the response goes through the status code 200, and it will be having like new title and body text. So if you see over here, the update view is the new one and delete view is the new one that we have added. Okay, so these are the independent works. I've already given them in the Google Classroom. Please go through them. Please complete them at your best available time. And I think you have 1 month to complete, I think so, because I have only 5 lectures left.